Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to write hotel reviews on Booking.com in 2026. So if you've stayed at a hotel and want to share your experience, this guide will help you leave a review step by step. First, go to Booking.com official website and sign in to your account. You can't write a review unless you're logged in and have a completed stay. Next, open the My Bookings or Trips section. So this is where your past hotel stays are listed. Now choose the hotel you already stayed in. Booking.com only allows reviews after your stay is completed. So click the Write a Review button. This will open the review form where you can share your experience. Next, give a star rating and write your feedback. Talk about cleanliness, service, location, and overall experience. Finally, click Submit to publish your review. So your feedback helps other travelers choose better hotels. And that's how to write hotel reviews on Booking.com in 2026. Once you follow these steps, sharing your travel experience becomes quick and easy. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more travel tutorials. Hey everyone.